I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, it's Jessica here. Welcome to beautiful Portugal and its almost pristine Praia do Amado beach. Join me as we take a tour around to explore the beauty of this coastline. On our way, we'll soak in the summer vibes, the soothing ocean sounds, and the picturesque views. So click like and leave a comment on this video if you enjoy it. We'll start at the beginning of the beach, at its small ruins, with the sound of the ocean waves crashing against the cliff faces of this amazing beach. We'll follow the path to the right as we take in all the nature around us. The calm blue waters and rocky shore give us an unforgettable view of this Portuguese paradise. As we continue our tour, we'll reach the sand dunes at the end of the beach. We'll stop here for a few moments to admire the beauty of the surrounding cliffs and the contrast of the white sand against the deep blue ocean. This peaceful atmosphere is a great spot to relax and admire the landscape. We'll move on further and meet a few friendly locals along the way. Then, if you're lucky, you'll be able to spot some wildlife during your walk. From curious birds to dolphins playing in the water, it's a great sight to see happily frolicking in the wild. Finally, to end our tour, we'll be heading to the top of the beach. It's an incredible lookout point with an even more incredible view. From here, you can spot both the cliffs and the small ruins down below. This view will truly take your breath away. And that's it for today's tour of Praia do Amado. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, don't forget to click like and leave a comment. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more of those amazing traveling experiences around the corner. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!